Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use HLOOKUP formula. Okay. Earlier lessons that we have seen the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula is used when your data is arranged vertically. That means you can see this is the name of the product, this is in a column, and this is the name of the price, this is in a column. Okay, vertically data are arranged. But you can look at this table. This is also table, same data is there. So in this table you will find the data is arranged not vertically, rather row wise. It is arranged column wise. Sorry, that is row wise it is, or horizontally it is used. Okay. There is only one difference. When you have a vertical table like this, you can use VLOOKUP. When you have one horizontal table, you can use HLOOKUP. Okay, the formula remains the same, but in VLOOKUP, what we are doing, we are looking for this 2 we are writing for column index number. What is the column index number? It is the column, but here you will find the row index number instead of column index number. Okay, because data is arranged in the row. Okay, so the similar syntax you can see, and the same thing also we are going to see, equal to HLOOKUP. Okay, then your lookup value. What is your lookup value? We are looking for the product. This is your product 4 is your lookup value. That means what we are looking for. So price for the product number 4 we want to see. Okay, then we can put comma, then tabular. This is the table. We can select the table, then we can put column, then row index number. Here we are getting column index number. In case of here we are getting column index number, here row index number. Your answer lies in second row. You can see this is the orange color. Okay, so this is product is there in the first row and this is in the second row. We can write also 2 here, then column. Then what we want? Do we want exact match or approximate match? Because we are not dealing with the like number kind of things. Okay, here the product, we are looking for the product and price. So we want the product for exact price we want. Therefore we can write here, select this like exact match, then we can close the bracket. Okay, we have got this as 35. Okay, this is the price. We can go here and we can select the currency here. This is 35 rupees. So here you can see it is 35 rupees, the exactly. Okay, suppose I will write like product 2. So this has been automated. You can see it is product 5. Take for example, let me write. So this is 18. It is becoming. Okay, so the same thing that we are doing, but the difference is here, like we have horizontal data here. In this case data is horizontal or row wise we have the data, but here we have the column wise data. When we have the column wise data, we can use VLOOKUP. When we have row wise data, we can use HLOOKUP. But this is rarely used. This is rarely used. Most of the time we will get opportunity to use this VLOOKUP formula. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.